back to my channel Basic Code. Today we are going to continue our last session on the signals. Today we are going to discuss about the computer signal. Okay, so first of all, what are the computer signal? Computer signal. If you are going to watch my this video computer signal, please do watch my previous video. That if you will watch that video, you will get better understanding about the computer signal. So let's start with the computer signal. Computer signals are the read-only signal that derive their value from the other signals. If we will say in a simple words, computer signals depends upon the other signals. Okay, so let's create one signal. Let's create a simple example to learn what are the computer signal. If we will say we are just going to create a signal, a computer signal to learn the computer signal, we are just going to create a little calculation like the product and the quantity. So let's start that one. Okay, first let's declare one variable like price. We are going to pass the value like 25. Here we are going to declare the quantity that we are going to declare a signal. One second, quantity. Okay, quantity signal. Here we are going to pass the value that is already defined like 9. Okay, here we are going to just getting this value 9 over here signal. Okay, now we are going to create one total price variable and we are going to compute that value with the help of computer. Okay, use arrow function. If we will say this dot price, okay, whatever the price is, this one multiply whatever the quantity, okay, this dot quantity. Okay, it's a signal, so we are going to pass the parenthesis over here. Okay, so the total price is a whatever this total price is a computed signal. Since it is using the quantity signal, it will update it whenever the quantity change. Okay, whenever the quantity value is going to change, it is just going to update it. Okay, so these are the okay. So let's do this one. And now in the HTML5, we are going to get one input where we are going to make a change in our computed value. Okay, so let's type number. Input type should be number. So let's say class form control. Okay, then we are going to use this change and we are going to create a function like actual value. So here we are going to pass the event. Okay, whatever the number we are going to pass on the change, any number is going to update it over here that we are going to pass in our function. This I will show you. And the value, here we are going to show the value signal. Okay, so let's create this one and this one. So here we are going to create a function and here we are going to pass event. Yeah. Okay, what we are going to do, this dot quantity. Okay, first we are going to set it. Okay, set with the help of set. Okay, whatever our target, the target as HTML input that is coming from our input field, right? Input field element, and here we are going to pass value as number. Okay, value as number. Okay, so let's see this one now. Okay, so here we need to pass one more times. Okay, now it should work fine, right? Okay, here we are going to show our total price as well. Okay, whatever the total price is coming. Let's add here a label, whatever our total price. Mm, What price here? Okay, calculator. We are going to show this variable over here. So it's a signal, so that's why we are going to pass this parenthesis over here. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are just going to calculate the computed signal. Okay, we can set the value of signal and we can update the value of signal as we have seen already seen in our previous video. So now what we are creating one another signal, quantity signal, that is that is already a read only. Okay, quantity signal, this signal is a read only signal. Okay, so we are just going to up we are just go we are what we are going to do, we are going to use this computer to get update that value. Okay, whenever the quantity is going to change, the price will value and this computed value is going to pass over in this variable. Okay, in the total price. Okay, so let's see this one. So let's see the result now. Okay, when we are passing this 9 value over here. Okay, so whenever the value is 9 here and 25 value we passed price, so that time it's going giving us a result 225. If we are going to increase the value or decrease the value, it's going to updated that value according to that one. Okay, so if we will say that here the signal depends upon the other signal. This computed signal is depend upon the other signal. If we will say this computed total price signal is depend upon the other signal. Now here we are going to here we are passing this value. So this value, this value is going to depends upon the other signals. Whenever these signals, the other signals are going to update and change the value, it will get updated. This computed signal is depends upon the other signal. That's what it is. Okay, so computed signals have only read only that drive their value from the other signals. So we can use this computed signals with the help of this computer keyword, and we can declare this variable. If we want to change the value, we want to update the value, so we can use computed signal with this one. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. In the next video, we will see how we can use the filter or search in a table. If we want to search any name from the filter, we will use that functionality with the help of signals. How we can use the signals in the filters. So for now, thank you so much.